Welcome to Macsartplace, and today I'm going to do wreck a ring, and I'm using some browns, grays, and blacks and golds in the champagne one, and also using my satin finish. But before I do that, I wanted to show you the two things that I have finished. This here is my clock. It's a rock clock. And I've got the mechanism in it now. Put the other light on. I did this video already today and it didn't work out, so I'm redoing it. So this is my clock. And I also finished this one. And this one I was going to do rocks. But it was so pretty, I couldn't do rocks with it. And I thought it was funny that if you look up here, I think that's it. Is that it? Yep. It looks like some kind of a serpent sticking their tongue out. I thought that was funny. So it's a pretty color combination. I like it. I have 2 layers of varnish on it, and I used liquid glass. That's what I put on it, 2 layers of that. It came out really nice and shiny, almost like resin. Almost, but not quite. But still very nice. So I'll take you down and let you see the rest of my pour, this wreck a ring. And I've already done it, but I'm attaching the video I did to this one. So we'll see how that comes out. Well, I looked up and the darn thing was off again. So I poured all that in my cup, and now I'm spreading this around a little bit before I wreck it. I don't know what you're supposed to do first. So, sure does look like a tree trunk. Okay, I'm going to bring the most of that back to the middle. And then I'm going to run this comb through it. Get this out of your view. Sure don't know what made it shut off, but I do see a lot of air bubbles. So try to get rid of them. I don't know when it shut off, but let's see. Now I'll spread that around. Back to the middle. Come on back. Bring it back to the middle a little bit that way. Bring it back. Looks like some kind of sea urchin. Run a little bit off there and come down this way. there. See if I can bring it back. And then run some off of there. Run it in the cup so I can do my corners with it. I want to bring that white part down some. Yeah, I think that's about it. Did all these sides. Probably gonna torch it again. Boy, if you didn't like to get messy, don't get into this stuff. You know, I kind of like that. It's different anyway. I'll wash my hands off and be right back. So it doesn't look like it's too dark with this white in here. And I think I have all the corners. I'll have to do that again. I can't hold on to anything today. There's a little spot. And there's a little spot. Check this side. There you go with that. I think, what was I going to put it on? I'm going to let this cup run on that tile. There is a lump here and a lump here. Goodbye, lumps. Okie dokie. I'll take you down for a close-up. Well, it is different. That would be the upper corner. If you keep it in that direction anyway. And there's the lower. I can see that champagne gold shining through. You see that? Interesting. Very interesting. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'd be very happy for your comments. Please give it thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice, wonderful week. Bye-bye.